What's up, guys? RockQuest Off-Road here. Just doing a quick overview of our new Jeep in our stable. It's a brand new 2018 Jeep JL Rubicon Unlimited. I know y'all have probably been seeing a lot of these online recently. They're just so amazing. The new redesign, all the new features, the little tiny touches that Jeep has done here and there and really done their homework. But I won't go into all the details because there's plenty of videos out there on all of that. Just want to do a quick overview video on the Jeep stock. Been enjoying it. You've seen the videos of us out of Barnwell. It's extremely capable, extremely comfortable. Got it in a white, color match fenders, color match top. Really love the look that this brings, and love the body ridge that they put all the way around. Kind of adds some dimensionality to the body, which is really cool. The only thing that we've done so far, and I'll put a video up later because we have a installation video on the Rockslide Engineering Sliders with the built-in step. Pretty awesome. I'm sure you've seen these before on some Jeeps. I don't really know if there are any installation videos out there, but very, very cool rock sliders. Really heavy gauge steel, high quality components and motors, and backlighting when it's dark outside. Very cool. And built-in safety features in case your foot gets stuck in there or hits your shin when you come up too close. So, factory Jeep, pretty loaded, has the proximity sensors, has the 8.4-inch screen, the cameras, has the plastic bumper group. Decided not to get the steel bumpers because of what we've seen, how the bumpers tend to bend into the body if you ever make contact off-road or scrape. So we figured we'll just get aftermarket bumpers and don't need to spend the extra on factory steel bumpers. The Jeep really looks sharp, really drives well in town, getting around 16.7 from our commute into town, county roads, and then traffic lights in town. That's very good mileage for a big four-door SUV. This four-wheel drive and a front axle, front live axle, and all that is pretty amazing. This is the 3.6. The tried and true Penn-Star. We now have a Icon 2.5-inch suspension we're going to be putting on with lower control arms that are durometer rubber. Really incredible quality stuff. Done a lot of research. Going to be putting that on with their 2.0 shocks, and also have bumpers and 315/75/17 tires coming. Some Milestar Patagonias, which I'm sure you've seen a little bit here and there on the internet. Been really impressed with the reviews and the testing that we've been seeing going on. The price is incredible, so we're going to give those a try. And also, they're actually on the lighter side of the 315 tires and the 37s. So tire weight as well as tire diameter really comes into the decision to try to minimize the effects that you put on your fuel economy and on your durability of the drivetrain. Even though the JL so far, the axles have proved incredibly strong, even with bead locks and 37s in harsh conditions. So looking forward to showing all the new mods, doing some videos on the suspension installation, and showing before and after pictures of the tires and the lift, and doing some measurements and showing the differences in real height and real time and the step in and all of that kind of good stuff. Hope you guys are all doing great. Y'all take care. See ya.